So first you need to come to this media library. I've already opened that, but in all tools you can just go to media library. Let's start from there. And you see my account is already chosen. I go to add account media, not the general media, and then I select add account. I select the one that I want to fetch the ads from. So it is showing me some images, etc., that it has auto created from the past campaigns. Now if I go to videos also, it is showing me some videos which is auto created. So let's say I want to use this video to run the ads, right? So I go here, click this video ID, and I will provide this to Claude. Can you create a campaign targeting mothers or parents with kids in the age group of 3 to 8? I want the location to be targeted as Delhi NCR only. I have given the video ID from media library over here. Do run the targeting settings that you are choosing for the campaign before starting it, or before actually you create the campaign. Right, so I've given this instruction. So let's see if Meta MCP is able to do this. So it is going to show me the targeting first, and then it will walk me through the campaign creation. Let's see. So yeah, it's giving me the targeting plan. So location Delhi NCR, it has taken these locations, and it matches some of my existing campaigns. Demographics, so I intentionally gave like parents with kids 3 to 8, right? And so it is giving me some segments, right? Just of like 3 to 8 and all. Then it is giving me like age and gender, etc., and then it is layering some interest targeting. So actually it is setting that it is not going to set any interest. It is doing advantage plus audience on by default for new ad sets, with it on age, gender act as suggestions and not hard caps. So this is interesting that there are, because based on the industry there would be certain campaigns where you would not want to run advantage plus campaigns, and it is asking me some questions, so which I didn't give. So let's say I want to target this for a custom event, which is topic_started. So let me just go to my account and I will just check the exact event name so that we don't go back and forth. So I need to go to events manager and just data set. So I have this lesson_started or topic_started that I want to use. So I'll just give maybe topic_started as the event. I want mothers only. Daily budget 600 per app day. Where should the clicks land? A web landing page. So it is still asking me some questions. How is it set up? Is it as a custom event or custom conversion in events manager, right? So I'll just go to this lesson_started. Sorry, I gave what? I think I gave topic_started, right? So I'll go to topic_started and just click on view details, event overview. So what is it asking exactly? It is asking me some event ID. I'm not sure if there is something called an event ID. So this is actually coming via Facebook SDK. So I'll just write topic_started is coming via Facebook SDK. Okay, landing page URL is, let's say for simplicity I'm just putting ad copy and campaign name, etc. You can draft. You can start today and run indefinitely. Etc. You can draft today and run indefinitely. Instagram. Yeah, I want it to deliver on Instagram as well. For Advantage Plus, I want you to switch off both audience and placement. Okay, so it caught one of the mistakes that I did, right? So I said Facebook SDK. So this is actually an app event. My website uses different events, so which is more like this onboarding underscore completed. And when you go to multiple, it is being sent by the one being sent by Conversions API is the one we are using on the website, right? So I will just prompt it. Can you change the event to onboarding underscore completed, and it is coming via Conversions API, right? And did it ask me something else? So it has given some ad copy draft, etc., which is again something that you can prompt and improve upon it. I'm not going into that much detail right now. And so I will just message this and let's see if it is able to do it. So by pixel ID, I think it needs the dataset ID. So I'll share the dataset ID over here. It is being sent via the Conversions API to this data set. And just to make it absolutely clear, it also asked me about Instagram, which I didn't share. Maybe it will ask again. Instagram user ID is Bibliowatcher. Okay. I'm sharing screenshot. Onboarding underscore completed is being sent both by Facebook SDK and Cappy. Cappy is being used for my web. So it is not able to verify if the targetings that we mentioned, it will be able to update properly or not. So basically we need an image thumbnail hash, and also it was not able to apply all targetings properly. So these are limitations that are there, right, in terms of creation. So let's see if I'm able to get it from the media library. I'll just prompt them to see if there is a way to do this. Is there a way to get the image hash from here? Or the other thing that I can do is I can go to these images. So these could be the image hash, right? So this is the image hash. But yeah, this is quite a bit of manual work, right? So here is the yeah, it can't actually. So I'll just remove this and I'll say you can take this hash. So it's creating the ad. So yeah, so it's told me what tweaks I need to add the locations and the parental segments. Now let's just go to Business Manager and see if the ad actually got created. Right, so let's go to my Ads Manager. So we had asked for Bibli Zmot. Right, so this is the campaign that it created. So it did actually create the campaign. The event is spot on, right? Ad set name is spot on. Now let's see the targeting. Conversion location, maximize number of conversions, this is fine. Cost per result goal we had not asked it to put. It put daily budget of 600 rupees. So these things are good. Advantage plus is off, right? And all this is fine. Now the location, right? So in location it has added Egypt instead of Delhi. So I'll just remove this, or I'm going to add Delhi over here. And maybe if I prompt it to, or I give this screenshot to MCP, maybe it will read to update it properly. Can you look at this structure and try to update the location on your... So it was able to find some workaround. Let's see. That happened. I will just don't know if it is going to show my previous changes or these changes. Let's see anyway. Right, so I go to the ad set. Nope, there's the video. I go back to that. So this actually didn't happen. So you see, I'm not sure if this error was something I did or it happened over here. Can you see this error screenshot and try updating it again? Did you get a success for this last update? Let's see if it actually did something. Yeah, so it added these lat longs and these locations over here, right? Okay, so save the process in your memory, please. Okay, so that at least helped us in creating this campaign. Now there could be many details that you can look at, right? That in terms of settings, etc., what needs to be there, what does not need to be there, but it is at least doing a basic job of getting the ads created. And yeah, just whatever we have learned, this is something that you should always do when you are working with Claude. If there are some learnings that were there in a particular session, then please ask it to save it in memory. Generally it will save things in your claude.md so that it does not repeat the same mistakes again. Anyway, it's doing its job.